Hello friends, welcome to SSP Math. Second example of Stokes theorem is evaluate double integral over S del cross f bar dot n cap into ds for the surface of the paraboloid z is equal to 4 minus x square minus y square, z is greater than equal to 0 and f bar equal to y square I bar plus z j bar plus xy k bar. Okay, so we will start solution of this. Again we have to evaluate double integral. So double integral दिखाई दे रहा है del cross f bar dot n cap. This lies in the statement of Stokes theorem. So first we will start solution using the statement of Stokes theorem. Okay, so by Stokes theorem we know that double integral over S del cross f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to close integral over C f bar dot dr bar. So here f bar given is y square I bar plus z j bar plus xy k bar. Okay, so this is equal to close integral over C y square I bar plus z j bar plus xy k bar. So this is f bar dot dr bar, that is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. Now how we write this dot product can be written as equal to close integral over C y square dx plus z dy plus xy dz. This is equation 1. Okay, now we have to solve this line integral, and for that paraboloid given for the surface of the paraboloid z is equal to 4 minus x square minus y square, means here we can write where C is the arc of the paraboloid, C is the arc of the paraboloid, z is equal to 4 minus x square minus y square, z is greater than equal to 0, z is greater than equal to 0 means from this we can take z equal to 0, and if z equal to 0 then dz is also 0. Okay, so here if we put z equal to 0 then we get 0 is equal to 4 minus x square minus y square, and after simplification we can write x square plus y square equal to 4. X square plus y square equal to 4. What is this? This is the equation of circle with center 0 0 and radius of this circle is 2. Okay, now for evaluation of this line integral we have to use parametric equation of circle. If single integration is there then we have to put here x is equal to 2 cos theta, y equal to 2 sin theta. So why we take x equal to 2 cos theta, y equal to 2 sin theta? We have to put here radius r is equal to 2 because this is single integration. Suppose here डबल इंटीग्रेशन है, मीन्स हमें डबल इंटीग्रेशन इवेल्युएट करना है यानी सर्कल मिला, तो यहाँ पर सब्स्टिट्यूशन क्या लेते हैं हम, x इक्वल टू आर कॉस थीटा, y इक्वल टू आर साइन थीटा. बट सिंगल इंटीग्रेशन के लिए वी वांट सिंगल वेरिएबल, एंड फॉर दैट यू हैव टू पुट x इक्वल टू 2 cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू 2 sin थीटा. मीन्स r की वैल्यू यहाँ पर पुट करो, x मिला, y मिला, इससे dx क्या मिलेगा, dx इज इक्वल टू 2 cos थीटा का डेरिवेटिव आएगा माइनस 2 sin थीटा डी थीटा, एंड dy क्या आएगा 2 cos थीटा डी थीटा. एंड इन होल सर्कल थीटा कैसे वेरी होगा, थीटा वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 to 2 pi. ओके, कंप्लीट सर्कल है, so theta varies from 0 to 2 pi, and therefore double integral over S del cross f bar dot n cap into ds is equal to, equation 1 becomes now, in equation 1 first put z equal to 0, dz equal to 0 and rewrite that equation. So equal to close integral over C, here if you put z equal to 0 this term is 0 and dz equal to 0 this is also 0, so only y square dx. Now what is the value of y, 2 sin theta, so is equal to थीटा कैसे वेरी हो रहा है 0 से 2 पाई तक. ओके, y स्क्वायर का क्या आएगा स्क्वायर 4 साइन स्क्वायर थीटा इंटू dx है माइनस 2 sin थीटा डी थीटा. ओके, so this 4 into 2 is minus 8 integration of 0 to 2 pi sin square theta into sin theta is sin cube theta d theta. We know that conversion formulae, integration of 0 to 2 pi sin raised to nx dx is equal to 4 times 0 to pi by 2 sin raised to nx dx if n is even and equal to 0 if n is odd. So here what is the value of n? N equal to 3. So n is odd, so the value of this integral is 0. Okay. The next problem is problem number 3. Evaluate double integral over s del cross f bar dot ds bar where f bar equal to x cube minus y cube into I bar minus x y z j bar plus y cube into k bar, and s is the surface x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x equal to 4 above the plane x equal to 0. So same problem hai. So we will start solution here. Third, again same as last problem, first by Stokes theorem, because we want double integration. So by Stokes theorem, double integral over s del cross f bar dot ds bar given in problem, ds bar given, and we know that ds bar equal to n cap into ds is equal to close integral over c f bar dot dr bar. Now what is f bar? F bar is this. Okay, so f bar dot dr bar, how we write here, is equal to close integral over c. First write down f bar, that is x cube minus y cube into I bar minus x y z j bar and plus y cube k bar. This is f bar. Okay, dot dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar. So what is this dot product? This dot product is close integral over c x cube minus y cube into dx minus xyz into dy plus y cube into dz. So this is equation 1. Again same as last problem here, c is given a, s is the surface above the plane x equal to 0 given a. So again where c is arc of surface x square plus 4y square plus z square minus 2x equal to 4 above the plane x equal to 0, x equal to 0, then dx equal to 0. Okay, so if you put here in this surface, if you put x equal to 0, then we will get 4y square plus z square equal to 0. ये 0 हो जाएगा, ये 0 हो जाएगा, एंड 4y स्क्वायर प्लस z स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 0 किसका इक्वेशन है? यदि इसको 4 ने, नॉट 0 इक्वल टू 4, यदि इसको 4 ने डिवाइड किया तो क्या मिलेगा मुझे? y स्क्वायर अपॉन 1 प्लस z स्क्वायर अपॉन 4 इक्वल टू 1. सो विच इज इलिप्स, एंड यदि इलिप्स है तो हाउ वी सॉल्व लाइन इंटीग्रल? If ellipse is there, then using parametric equation of ellipse, and we know that if x square upon a square plus y square upon b square equal to 1, then we can use x equal to a cos theta, y equal to b sin theta. अब यहाँ पर x की जगह पर y, so we have to put here y is equal to a cos theta, but a is 1, so put y equal to cos theta, and z equal to b, b is 2 here, 2 sin theta. Okay, एंड इससे dy क्या मिलेगा हमें? dy मिलेगा माइनस साइन थीटा डी थीटा, एंड dz मिलेगा 2 cos थीटा डी थीटा. एंड कंप्लीट इलिप्स थीटा कैसे वेरी हो रहा है? थीटा वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 to 2 pi, एंड देयरफॉर इक्वेशन 1 बिकम्स डबल इंटीग्रल ओवर s डेल क्रॉस f bar डॉट ds बार इज इक्वल टू, फर्स्ट पुट हियर x इक्वल टू 0. यहाँ पर यदि x इक्वल टू 0 पुट किया तो ये फर्स्ट टर्म 0 हो जाएगी, ये भी 0 हो जाएगा, ओनली रहेगा क्या? क्लोज इंटीग्रल ओवर c y क्यूब dz. ओके, व्हाट इज वैल्यू ऑफ y? cos थीटा, एंड थीटा कैसे वेरी हो रहा है? 0 से 2 पाई तक, सो y क्यूब इज cos थीटा, dz इज 2 cos थीटा d theta. Okay, so 2 if we take outside integral 0 to 2 pi cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Again conversion formula is there, 0 to 2 pi, जैसे यहाँ पर हमने यूज़ किया है 0 to 2 pi sin raised to n x. Same for cos a, 0 to 2 pi cos raised to nx dx is equal to 4 times 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to nx if n is even and equal to 0 if n is odd. So here n even is, so this can be written as 2 into 4 times 0 to pi by 2 cos raised to 4 theta d theta. Okay, now we evaluate this using reduction formula, is equal to this 4 into 2 is 8 into 4 minus 1, 4 minus 3 upon 4 into 4 minus 2 into last term is pi by 2. So after simplification, answer is 8 into 3 into 1 upon 4 into 2 into pi by 2. So this 2 into 4 is 8, 8 get cancelled, so answer is 3 pi by 2. Okay, so in next video we will take again some problems on Stokes theorem. Thank you.